Hi everyone, welcome back. We are now in series 1M. Let's continue learning Kachin-Jinghpaw language in English with the scriptures. I am Miss Bokraglatsglau. Thanks for joining this YouTube channel. Yawng with your hkam ga Ndai series 1M tha e ngai the rao Jinghpaw ga English ga matut na kaja laga. We are going to study how the nature reveals the creations of God with these scriptures. The nature reveals the creations of God. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Panda krum ai Yawng mayawng go, Hpan Wa Ning Sang lajang da ai lampe, madun da nga ai, Ndai lampe, de Chyum ga do ni the, matut na kaja laga. The heavens, the skies are revealing the Creator. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, sum sing lemu madin go, Karai wa phe madun dan nga ai. Psalm chapter 19, verse 1 to 3. The heavens declare the glory of God, and the firmament shows his handiwork. Day unto day utters speech, and night unto night reveals knowledge. There is no speech nor language where their voice is not heard. Shăkawn Kungdawn Laika dogba shichku dogji langai go nam sum sing lumu go Karai wa shingkang gondan na lumu madin go shia lata amu madun nga ai. Leni te leni aga sumtu angwe branga na lana te lana jang ai khu pya dan nga ai phasun ai lam tha mong ga ai tha mong dai te a nsam na yu ai nga ga ai. Let's learn every part of the scripture. Psalm chapter 19 verse 1 to 3. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Shăkawn Kungdawn Laika dogba shichku dogji langai ko nam sum. The heavens declare the glory of God, and the firmament shows his handiwork. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, sum sing lemu go Karai wa shingkang gondan na lemu madin go shia lata amu madun nga ai. The heavens, sum sing lemu, the firmament, the heavens or the sky. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, lemu madin, declare, gondan ai, show, madun dan ai, the glory of God, Karai wa shingkang, his handiwork, shia lata amu. Day unto day utters speech, and night unto night reveals knowledge. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, leni te leni aga sumtu angwe branga na lana te lana jang ai khu pya dan nga ai. Day unto day leni te leni utter angwe bra ai ngwe ai nsam ai sun ai. Speech aga sumtu masun ga night unto night lana te lana reveal pya dan ai madun dan ai knowledge jang ai. There is no speech nor language where their voice is not heard. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, phasun ai lam tha mong ga ai tha mong dai the a nsam na yu ai nga ga ai. Speech sunai lam sunai ga masun ga. Language ga sunjiga ai ga. Voice nsam ga nsam makhu. Here na ai na la ai madat I, madat la I, is not hard, na you I, na I. The animals, the art are revealing the creator. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Ashu Ishani, Nsam Uni, Ngani, Lumugago, Hpan Wa Ning Sang madun dan nga I. I'm going to read the scripture from the book of Job. Job chapter 12 verse 7 to 10. But now ask the beast, and they will teach you, and the birds of the air, and they will tell you. Oh, speak to the earth, and it will teach you, and the fish of the sea will explain to you. Who among all this does not know that the hand of the Lord has done this, in whose hand is the life of every living thing, and the breath of all mankind? In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Yoba Laika, Dogba Shilakong, Dogji Snit Gona Shi. Righty Mong, Ashu Shani Pe, San Yu, Daini Nang Pe Shirin Namra I, Nsam Uni Pe, San Yu, Daini Nang Pe Sundan Namra I, Shingkang, Lumuga Pe, Ruyu, Shi Nang Pe Shirin Nara I, Namugdarangani Nang Pe Kaidan Namra I, Yehovah Ndai Lam Yawng Te Pe Shibin I go, Nje I, Kadai Warai Nga Ata, Shi Atla Ta, Krung Ronga Na, Nswe Nsa Rongai, Shingimisha Pe, Shi, the Kungdawn I. Let's learn every part of the scripture. Job chapter 12, verse 7 to 10. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Yoba Laika, Dogba Shilakong, Dogji Snit Gona Shi. But now ask the beast, and they will teach you, and the birds of the air, and they will tell you. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Righty Mong, Ashu Shani Pe, San Yu, Daini Nang Pe Shirin Namra I, Nsam Uni Pe, San Yu, Daini Nang Pe Sundan Namra I. Ask, San Yu I. San Yu is imperative. Beast, Ashu Ashan, plural beast. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Ashu Ashani. Teach, Shirin Ya I, Shirin Ajin Ya I, will teach, Shirin Namra I. Bird, plural. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Uni, the birds of the air. Nsam Uni, tell, Sundan I, madun danai, will tell, Sundan Namra I. Or speak to the earth, and it will teach you, and the fish of the sea will explain to you. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Shingkang, Lumuga Pe Ruyu, Shi Nang Pe Shirin Nara I, Namugdarangani Nang Pe Kaidan Namra I. Or Shingkang, speak, Ruyu I, Ruyu. It is imperative. Speak to the earth. You cannot talk and speak to the earth. So, speak to the earth in Kachin-Jinghpaw is Lumuga Pe Ruyu, the earth. Lumuga, Ginding Aga, fish, Nga, fishes. Ngani, the fish of the sea. Namugdarangani, explain. Kaidanai, Sanglang Danai, Madun Danai. will explain Khaidan Nam Ra'ai. Who among all this does not know that the hand of the Lord has done this? In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Yehovah Ndai lam Yawng te phe shibin ai go. Nje ai gadai wa rainga a ta. No, je I do not know or does not know. Nje I, who gadai wa gadai has done. Shibin I, the hand of the Lord has done this. Yehovah Ndai lam Yawng te phe shibin I. In whose hand is the life of every living thing and the breath of all mankind. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Shia la da ta krung mu krung ronga na nswe nsa rongai shingim sha phe shi krung da nga ai. In whose hand gadea la da ta, but in this scripture the translation is Shia la da ta, because it is connected with verb is. Translation is ronga na or krung da nga ai. The life of every living thing, krung mu krung, the breath of all mankind, nswe nsa rongai shingim sha. Okay, here is the last scripture for this series. I'm going to read the scripture. Psalm chapter 95 verse 4 to 5. In his hand are the deep places of the earth. The heights of the hills are his also. The sea is his, for he made it, and his hands formed the dry land. Kon Kungdawn Laika dog ba kushi mga dogji mli go na mga lumuga sungai shrani shi at the ta ronga ai bum bung ding ni mo shi at rai nga ai namuk dra phe shi glo na up nga ai shi at the ta go krang phe mung phajang da nu ai. Let's learn every part of the scripture. Psalm chapter 95, verse 4 to 5. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Shkon Kungdawn Laika, Dogba, Kushi Mga, Dogji Mligona Mga. In his hand are the deep places of the earth. The heights of the hills are his also. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, Lumuga Sungai Shrani, Shi a la ta ta ronga ai, bum bung ding ni mong, shi a rainga ai. The deep places of the earth, Lumuga Sungai Shrani, the heights of the hills, bum bung ding ni, also mung. In his hand, or are in his hand, shi a la ta ta ronga ai. The sea is his, for he made it, and his hands formed the dry land. In Kachin-Jinghpaw, namuk dra phe shiglo na up nga ai, shia la ta go krang phe mung phajang da nu ai. The sea namuk dra make glo na up nga ai, glo ai. The sea is his, for he made it. Namukdara phe shi glo na up nga ai, his hands shi atlata form phajang da ai, the dry land krang, and his hands formed the dry land shi atlata go krang phe mung phajang da nu ai. Psalm chapter 95 verse 4 to 5. In his hand are the deep places of the earth. The heights of the hills are his also. The sea is his, for he made it, and his hands formed the dry land. Shăkawn Kungdawn Laika dogba kushi mga dogji mli ko na mga. Lumuga sungai shrani si at lata ta ronga ai bumpung ding ni mong si at rai nga ai namugdra phe si galot na up nga ai si at lata go krang phe mong phajang danu ai. I hope you enjoyed the series Learning the Language with the Scriptures. Thanks for joining with me. Do join next series. Yawng phe grai ji ju ba sai phang de bai khrum ga yong an sa grai sang shman yaw ga.